I hope you enjoyed that drone footage, and it was a bit sketchy at times, but I enjoy doing it. Right, we're now going to head back to the cable car, but before we do so, we're going to have a look in this village, because as I said before, for the most part, it's abandoned apart from one or two farmers who come here to do their thing, and you can of course stay here overnight as long as you book in advance. But then if you do, you're stranded till the morning. I'm peeking into one of the gardens, which the gate is locked, just to give you an idea. And looks like some patio furniture over there at the far end, but we will continue this way. And Lottie, of course, always gets into the way of my shots. And there she is sporting her brand new Madeira bag, which she bought in Porto Muniz from one of the gift shops there. And it's this way to the right. And you can see my reprobates behind me, Lottie again, and further back, Alonso. Wave, people! The lady ahead looks like one of the local residents. She's just scarpered. She saw me, that's why. So we go, I think this way. No, or that way? We'll go this way. We'll follow the lady. And I think that's the gateway to a house there. Let's have a nose. Shh. I think we go to the right.
Oh, this is the walk up.
And a bit of a mini lavada there. And the cable car sign takes us to the left, this way. And it looks like some banana trees just there to the right. Just below, there's one there at least anyway. So, am I doing my first ever lavada walk? This is cool. Lavadas are basically irrigation channels. There's thousands of miles of them throughout the whole island, which basically supply the south and other areas of the island with water from the north, because it rains more on the north. Down these steps here, you can see how small these houses are. Probably fit a couple of people at best in them. But it's a shame that this ancient way of life is dwindling, because I believe that the younger people don't want to continue. They head off to the mainland, maybe getting jobs in IT and other departments. So this is unfortunately a dying trade. Which way indeed? I'm going to go this way. It looks like a path well trodden. Now it seems a lot more active, or rather more houses here than in Rocha de Navio. If you remember that vlog from last year where I was stalked by a crazy duck. I wonder if I'm ever in Santana again, that duck is going to catch up with me. And looking back, just in a distance there, you may have seen on the drone footage, it looks like there's some kind of wedding ceremony going on that hill. So I hope I didn't disturb them with the drone, but if I did, and if they want some footage, ching ching. And this house has a name on it, Casa do Avô Lucas, Familia Lucas. And I guess it must be lived in more so than the rest of them. And here we are, back to the main path, which will take us to the cable car, which is just there, right in front of us. And that's a view looking northwards, because we are on the west coast of the island. You know what? If I had the time and the cable car was open beyond sunset, I would love to be down on that beach there whilst witnessing the glorious sunset here. And there's Frank at the back of the queue, eager to get back. So Frank, what did you think of that?
How far over did you go?
I went way over to the far end, as far as I could go.
I thought there was going to be a restaurant down here. No, there isn't.
No, it's at the top. So I actually, for a moment, thought there was, but if you think of it, how are they going to get back after 6 o'clock?
I found a tap along the way and I drank out of that too.
But there is a restaurant at the cable car near Camarada de la Bosch, which we will visit in due course. It's not my cable car to go up. I think there's about 3 before me. So we made it in time because they shut up shop around 6 o'clock and it's just gone 5:20. And you can see the queue in front of me. Going up. And back down to Alonso. And just waiting in the queue below, we have the bride and groom, which I flew the drone around. So I've given them my details and hopefully they're going to like and subscribe. And if you're watching this too, you can do the same. And this one's mine. And finally, here's my cable car. It's arrived with about 13 minutes to spare till quit time at the top for the cable car operator. So let's get on board as soon as the door opens. Okay, so we're back in it again.
So we will be famous.
Yes, maybe.
On your YouTube
Okay.
channel.
So what's your name?
My name?
Yes.
Because you have glasses like now you all look at me. My name is Renata.
Renata.
My name is Luis.
Luis.
João.
João. And
Emily.
Emily. Welcome to my vlog. It's Rue Photography and Travels YouTube and Facebook. So please like and subscribe. Obrigado.
Let's hope that is not the last one.
No. I will survive this. Thank you. And here's the final view of Achadas da Cruz.
Calhau das Achadas da Cruz.
Calhau de Achadas da Cruz. I finally pronounced it right, so forgive me for any Portuguese viewers who heard me pronounce it incorrectly. I ask you for my humble forgiveness.
No, but you have clue. You have to have poncha.
Yeah.
Afterwards, just correctly
Não, mas com
Portuguese.
este calor não.
Yes, later I will have a poncha, definitely.
Yes, so your pronunciation will be perfect.
Thank you.
Okay, so enjoy.
Thank you. Yay, we made it in one piece and the door is opening slowly but surely. It's quite warm in here, so let's get out into the fresh air. Yes, and I've made some new friends, so thank you very much. Dziękuję. Obrigado. Thank you. And I have to say farewell to my new friend, Juvenal. And thank you very much for your service.
Thank you.
And I'll see you on my next time here. Take care. And don't forget to check it out on YouTube and Facebook in a few weeks. Okay, good night, bye. Right, so that's the cable car trip over with, and I'm now at Calhau Snack Bar, which is the little cafe which can be found at the top of the cable car station. So I thought I'd treat myself to a little snack. Of course, Brisa, which is the local soft drink, and this is the orange variety. I've not actually tried this one, but I'm looking forward to it. And also a samosa. And something else, it's local, it's got minced beef in it. Looking forward to trying that. The samosa is vegetable, and the cafe is run by South Africans, so that is unique in itself. So, give that a try. Oh, they're €2 each, by the way. And the drink, I think it's about $1.50. So it's not too bad anyway. And this one, I think this one's got a bit more flavour in it than a samosa. But it depends on your taste as well. I'll try the Brisa. My tissues are flying everywhere. Forgive the background noise, that's the cable car there behind you. Oh my God, that is so refreshing. It definitely hits the spot. So after about 45 minutes drive, we headed southwest to a place called Pal do Mar. It's on the southwest coast. As I said previously, there's a waterfall almost on every corner. And this is Pal do Mar waterfall, Cascata do Pal do Mar. And I'll give you a closer look at it. I think this is as close as you can get legally. And a few ducks down there. Some of that black, white and red-billed variety, which was stalking me last year. They're his friends or relatives. And just look at this magnificent feature. Wow. Yes, it's this way, to the right. Come on, I was going to vlog you. I said you can be in the shot. I've got to do that again.
What if, like, on my head, so I was like, I'll try not to think that.
Look.
I know, yeah.
It's on the southwest coast because you can't go far. Because you can't go far in Madeira until you're not in Madeira if you can't go far, because, as I said previously, there's a waterfall almost on every corner.